Alright, right now we're at the beginning of 8th Avenue. You can look up at the street signs. This is Hudson and Bleecker Street. Hudson. And when we go across the street, and we get to the sign right here, it turns into 8th Avenue. So this is the beginning of 8th Avenue, and we're gonna ride it all the way north, uptown, I believe towards 59th Street. It's about 24 degrees right now, 10 a.m. This is West 4th Street right here. And then it turns into 14th Street right here. Might want to look where you're going. I don't know how people could just walk in the middle of the street without looking behind them if any traffic's coming. I would say 8th Avenue is the worst avenue there is to ride a bike, to walk. Especially when we hit 34th Street. Everybody just walks everywhere. So our right here is Madison Square Garden. Try to get in some of this traffic right here. Get a better look. Try not to get hit by one of these taxis. Yeah, here's Madison Square Garden. We jump on a curb for this. And this is Penn Station as well. These taxis are all waiting for people to come from Penn Station. So yeah, this is Madison Square Garden.
Trenton, Philadelphia, Wilmington, Baltimore, BWI Airport, New Carrollton, Washington, Alexandria, Fredericksburg, Richmond Staples Mill, and Petersburg. Passengers should proceed to track 12 west.
Just a look. Figure in my videos I should show some of the landmarks a little bit more, instead of just riding by in the street all the time. Even get on the sidewalk a little. Down this way is Macy's. But we're gonna stay on 8th Avenue. Traffic is crazy here. Let me try to get back to that bike lane. I'm gonna get hit by a car here. Guy's watching his phone, so gotta watch out with him. Coming up to 42nd Street. It's 39th. This is the Port Authority. You can see Ralph and the Honeymooners right here. A lot of drugs dealing here. This is where everybody comes from when they want to go to New York City and start over their life. You even get a lot of homeless people coming here, and they'll just sleep in Penn Station. Excuse me, that's not Penn Station, Port Authority. 42nd. All right. I watched this in thousands of videos. New Yorkers really don't go to 42nd Street. It's a hassle. I mean, it's fun to go to once in a while, but Not really too much. Smash burger. Freezing out here. You don't see too many people. Not like the summertime. If you think this is a lot of people, wait till the summertime. It's too cold for people to be out here right now. But tourists, they spend money to come down here. They're gonna be out here. Just about to come up to 59th Street. See that big statue in front of us? That's 59th. I believe 8th Avenue ends here. This is Columbus Circle. So 8th Avenue turns into Central Park West. And so yeah, you can see right here, 8th Avenue still. We're gonna cut around this circle. And right here turns into Columbus, but 8th Avenue right here, there's the Trump Towers. So this would be 8th Avenue, but it turns into Central Park West. Let me not get hit by a car. Do a Yui.
Your condo buildings you're playing for?
And this is the beginning of Central Park. Right here. I'm gonna do a Central Park ride through one day. Just not today. Alright, so this is 8th Avenue, the finish of 8th Avenue, and we're gonna start Central Park West.